Welcome to Shelly's Talk. It's the beginning of Labor Day weekend, and I'm at the beach, just had dinner, winding down, and my husband and daughter went for a walk. So I said, what a perfect time to do Shelly's Talk. So, what a summer we had. And it's over, basically. So, I think of all the recipes that we made, the summer recipes, and stuffed pork chops. Of course, we had lavender lemonade, ceviche, mango salsa. I mean, just so many different recipes that we had. And I had a great time. I had a great time making it. And what's interesting is that when we make recipes, we look for very good ingredients. We look for the best. It's very important, the ingredients that we put into whatever we are making, and that we make it with love. So it's the same thing with our lives, that we try to do things that are good for our bodies and minds. I started meditating every day, 8-minute meditation from my Fitbit. And it has really helped me, calm my nerves. And 8 minutes, Deepak Chopra, he has a meditation that's 8 minutes in the morning, and I do it every day, and it has done wonders. So for my twisters out there, I encourage you to meditate, to take the time to relax, smell the roses, feel the sea breeze, and just enjoy life. So again, back to the ingredients. So the ingredients are very important that we put into a recipe. How we make the recipe is important, and the love with which we make it. And so with our lives, I would think that the ingredients could be positive thoughts, positive things that we put in our lives. And so as we make that recipe and make that dish that we call our lives, if we put positiveness in that dish, we will reap positive benefits. I'm a person, I believe in manifestation, and I believe that we are very powerful in our minds, and we can achieve anything as long as we believe. And for me, I believe that our thought process, whatever beliefs we have in our system, it's almost like a bucket of beliefs. I believe this, I believe that. And when we think about something, we go into that belief system, we go into that bucket, pull out that belief. Whether it's negative or not, we pull it out. And so, I believe that those beliefs and thoughts shape our world. And so, therefore, we have to be very careful what we think and what we believe. So, just to reflect again, it's time to think the very best. Twisters, I really want you to stay safe. I want you to get vaccinated if you would like to, okay? And stay safe. Stay safe with your family. Wear your mask, and until next time, see you later.